Dave here from Dave's Auto Service in Boyertown. Been a while since I did any posts or videos. Have been feeling down under the weather, some issues, but I'm fine. Medicine takes care of everything. But working on a Toyota RAV4. New customer. Brought it in for state inspection and noise in the front. Shop they were going to for a while told them that car has getting miles on it and it's going to make noise, but the owner was a little concerned that the noise was too much. So we road tested it, put it in the lift, and this is what we found. Here I have the strut on the right of the screen is off the vehicle. The strut on the left of the screen is a new strut. So get a light here and get a little closer and show you what we found. You can see the shaft right here. We get a focus. So here's the shaft coming out of the strut. You see it's all rusted, corroded, and if I can get a good angle here, right there, you can see all this opening. Something's damaged inside the strut. Failed, age. Even though the vehicle was an 09, it does have over 100,000 miles on it. So something is preventing this from going up and down inside the strut the way it should be, and it's rocking back and forth, and it has this oblonged out. And if I move this over this way, or actually go this way, pardon my cameramanship, you can see where, like, on the back side, get it here a little bit better. Trying to do this by myself, one hand, and a light. Anyway, you can see how the shaft's all rusted, damaged, rub marks. And if we compare it to the new strut, let me get my light focused here. And I'll pull the boot up. You can see how there's very much of an opening that the shaft goes down through. So the vehicle owner was correct that something was not right with the vehicle.